Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's March 30th, 2019, and about 7 o'clock in the evening. Every time I videotape these guys, I learn something new, you know. And tonight I just realized that something I didn't know, that hemorrhoids can actually fly. And you're looking at one right now. A big, inflamed, infected hemorrhoid. Because these guys are a pain in the ass every single time I see them. Look at this. Orange chemicals coming out, guys. This is not the sun doing this. The sunlight. But, yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm just going to call them flying hemorrhoids from now on. Maybe the news will get a hold of it. Flying hemorrhoids over Los Angeles, film at 11. But look at this. So maybe we can figure out a way to, because I'm not violent, but to shoot Preparation H up in, like, through bazookas or something, and get rid of the asshole problem. You know, I don't know what to do here. This is really annoying. Look at this. Look at this sick freak. Look at that. That's totally orange and white together. They mix together like epoxy. Watch. Watch when it comes out of the a-hole of this stupid plane. Look at that. You can see the dark orange, and then they're mixing together. Come on, guys. You gotta get this. Wow. Never thought I'd have to do this in my life. I love photography and all that stuff, you know, and I like shooting beautiful things, but this isn't beautiful. This is horrible. We're looking at an invasion of our air that we breathe and all life on the planet, honestly. Look at this. CONtrails, guys. Yeah, keep that one going. There's still people out there saying these are CONtrails and that we're nuts. Okay. This plane looks like it's on fire. I mean, come on, man. Let me get in there a little closer. If I can. I always screw it up when I get close. But look at that, man. Look at the colors of that stuff coming out of there. Yeah, this is pretty damn evil. Gotta tell you. Unbelievable. All right, man. I've had enough of these guys for today. They're all over the place. All right, take care, guys. Blood wipes.